Sunny Weather's here with my good friend Sandy. I was a little perplexed these last few months. Besides helping Storm work on the RV, I spent a lot of days inside on rainy, cold, snowy days. What to do? Not being crafty as so many of my other RV friends were, I didn't have an answer until today when I met Sandy for lunch and she shared a great idea with me, which I am now going to pass on to you. Sandy, tell me a little bit about the project we got going here.
Well, I first learned about it through the American Legion, and I always thought one day I'm going to do this project. Well, it wasn't until 2 years ago I started, and I said, another lady and I, we kind of challenged each other. Let's see if we can make one.
Okay, and what is one? What is one of these?
You can call it a sleeping mat. We call them homeless mats because we give them to the Raleigh Rescue Mission.
And when you give them away, they look like this, a nice finished product.
Mm-hmm.
And what are they made of?
Oh, they're made of all kinds of plastic bags from all kinds of stores.
Look how
this
thick.
This is Food Lion, and the blue and the white, blue is for freezer bags, of course.
Oh, right.
Yeah. And so it takes about 500 to 700 bags to make one.
I can see mechanics kind of liking something like this too.
Oh, yes. Yes. It takes about 50 to 100 hours to make one.
They're nice and waterproof.
Yep.
Washable.
Bugs don't like them. Yep.
Oh, that's right. Bugs don't like them.
Yeah. And so they're easy to store and stuff them in just anywhere.
These are awesome. So your church makes them?
Well, about anybody that we can get involved, like you.
Uh-oh, I'm a new recruit.
Yeah, we have a lot of variety of people that have gotten involved in it.
Well, these are awesome. And I can totally see on a cold, blustery day, this being a perfect project. So you take the bags
Or
and...
if you don't want to talk to Storm, you can just sit over there in your seat and just get busy on
I
this.
could do that. Well, I've got to train him like you've trained Jim to make the actual plarn, which is
Plastic yarn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Winds up like this. This is some of Jim's great handiwork.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll show a little bit of that right now.
Say that again.
3 inches. And you cut a strip. And then you go another 3 inches. I generally cut 18 bags at a time, so loop them together.
Okay.
Remember how you used to do rubber bands when you were going to shoot somebody?
You do that little snap, and that makes a really
That's
strong
important. Yeah, I see that.
What's really important is when you start, after you get the first one done, then I'll take them and I want to be sure this one's straight, because if you just hook them together and then you hook them together like that,
Oh, that's
when you
That's
start
bad.
crocheting them, you are cussing the person who put these together. I just pull them straight.
Do snap.
And I just do that until I'm sitting in a chair and it's about this high. And when it's this high, that's a 2-hour movie.
What else should we know? What's the size when they're finished?
When they're finished, they're 36 inches wide and 6 foot long.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Well, I really appreciate you turning me on to this project.
All right.
And I obviously need to get busy here.
Show 'em how to crochet.
You can take the rubber band off.
Yeah, I got a little trouble here. So it's pretty easy. Even I can do it. And maybe, oops, I'm trying to double crochet. Oops. Let's see. It's pretty easy. Even I can do it. Whoops, there we go. So if you know how to crochet or want to learn and would like to join in this great project, just check my website. I'll have all the instructions on there. And thanks again, Sandy. It's what a
Oh,
great day.
it's been
I learned a new trade.
Yeah, I expect to see a finished product next time you come through.
I'm promising you at least one. Thanks for the head start here.
Okay.
This is Sunny Weathers, live from Apex, North Carolina.